Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Are you an iMovie user looking to add subtitles to your videos? Today, I'll show you how to easily add subtitles in iMovie, step by step. Launch iMovie on your Mac. If you already have a project, open it. If not, click Create New and import your clips into the timeline. Click on the Titles tab at the top. iMovie offers several title styles. For subtitles, I recommend using something clean and simple. Select one and drag it to the timeline above your clip. Now, type the text in the viewer window. Adjust the font, size, and color. To sync subtitle with audio, drag the title clip edge to adjust its duration. Play back to ensure the text appears at the right moment.
Edimakor.
Now you have to repeat this process for every line you want to add. Drag a title, type text, adjust, and sync with video.
In today's video, we're going to show you how to transcribe any video to text on your Mac.
That's it. iMovie gets the job done for simple projects, but manually creating and syncing subtitles for longer videos can be tedious. So we can turn to Edimakor. It's an AI video editor that makes adding subtitles super easy. If you don't have Edimakor yet, click the link in the description to download it. Click Auto Subtitles for video and upload your video to Edimakor. This will take you straight to the auto subtitling section. Here, Edimakor also offers a range of subtitle styles. Choose one or customize one to suit your preferences. You can also translate the subtitles to any language. Now click on the button and Edimakor automatically transcribes your video and generates subtitles in seconds.
Hello guys, welcome to
The subtitles are already synced with audio. Review them, make any necessary edits, and customize the font, size, and positioning. With everything done, export your video with perfectly synced subtitles. So final words. iMovie is a great start for simple projects, but if you want to save time and enjoy auto subtitling features, give Edimakor a try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.